Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up eToro two-factor authentication here on web browser. Now, first thing what you need to do is basically just log in into your account. Then after that, on the left side, scroll down a little bit and you will see here settings. So click on that. Now here in this menu, select an account right here. And now here on the right side, you will see security. And here you have the option to two-factor authentication to put on. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. So FA settings cannot be changed after that. So with that, you will just keep your account secure by requiring a second method of authentication. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.